Hey guys, Trudy here with Panhandle Power Wash Supply, and look at the EaCo Chem products we carry. I believe we have every one right now. I could be wrong, but every time I order a pallet, somebody calls and needs something I don't have. So I believe and I have it all now until the next phone call. We also have them in 5-gallon buckets. So the EaCo Chem, we have N-Strip, Stripper Cream, LCS, and Graphex. That looks like it's all the paint removal products. Tar Melt, that is awesome on grease, tire marks on driveways. Hot stain remover is awesome degreaser, also soot and smoke remover. EF-Fortless is an effervescence remover. HD Britenol, kind of like a neutralizer, works great on wood. Polished stone cleaner, that speaks for itself. One Restore is actually a great gum shadowing remover, but it also has a lot of different uses. Cleansol BC, the oxidation remover. The ABF is aluminum bifluoride restoration detergent. So I haven't messed around with that a little bit, but it looks like it does great on some kind of bricks. NMD80, which is a new masonry detergent, also great on newer red clay stains and any masonry stains that you may have. Takes mortar off of siding. Sabre II is great on raw metal. Heritage Restore is awesome on the older stucco buildings. Calcite and Presoak and white Scum Presoak are for the bricks, for the white staining on the bricks that you come across. So we have them all in stock, guys. We ship same day if you order by 4 Central. So here we are with all your chemical needs. And also a great company. If you ever have an issue, you have a question, you can call them and they will answer all your questions. I will do the best to answer, but if I don't know the answer, I'm not going to give you a fake answer. I will either call them myself or refer you to call them. So anyway, this is for the EaCo Chem lineup. You guys stay humble and hustle hard and have a great week.